Rice in the pan. Slice the cucumber. It's tiny, isn't it? Cucumber is chopped up now. Carrot time. Peel it up. Rice is getting to a boil in the meantime. Grate that carrot. Rice is boiling really good. Oh man, it's about to be a tragedy. Garlic time. Half teaspoon of sugar is also in there. Mayo in the cup. Pinch of garlic in there with that man.
Squeeze a lime.
Squeeze that lime. Sriracha going in. Stir it up, y'all. Oil in the pan. Put that ground beef down. Garlic is in. Ground beef is done. Throw that garlic in there. Rice is done. Grate that lime.
Lime zest.
Oh yeah. Grated carrot in. Cat has a lot of questions. Mix it up, looking pretty. Cook down that garlic. Sugar, soy sauce, going down. Finished ingredients. Sarah's adding the pickled onions to hers. Sarah's on the left with the pickled onions. Mine on the right with the extra sriracha. Got the sauce and everything in there. Fully bowled up.
Let's eat.
Oh yeah.
So good.
Like, comment, subscribe, y'all.